we play Wordle as a firm. Like we are on the Wordle train, or at least the cool kids play Wordle.
Who's on the Wordle train? Wow, that was aggressive, Brenna. That was aggressive. It was with a walk away.
It's 6 guesses, right? And each time you guess 5 letters. And then it tells you, is the letter in the right place? Is the letter in the word? Or is the letter not in the word?
You don't do the Cool Kids Club Wordle.
No.
I don't do Wordle.
No, we can't all be perfect. Andrew only shares his Wordle when he does 3 or better. So I feel like if you don't share every day, like you're like that's like a foul. Like that's like a Wordle foul.
I don't do Wordle. I'm not smart enough to do Wordle. That's just an aggravation for me, and it's like, no, thank you.
I probably will crack at some point and start playing.
It's going to be awkward when the day comes when we're all like actually tired of it too, and we all like slowly dwindle out of it, and it's just Ryan and posting every day.